Campaign for Justice and Fair Delimitation JFD Finance Secretary Sunil Karam warned of a strong movement to hold census work in case the state government fails to announce a concrete plan to initially identify illegal immigrants by tomorrow. He announced this during a sustained public awareness campaign held at Thoubal Kaithel today to sensitize the public about the urgent need to update the NRC before starting census operations. The campaign was jointly organized by JFD in collaboration with Thoubal Kaithel Fambi Mathak Makha Punba, Meitei Community Joint Coordinating Committee and 18 local clubs. Speaking further, Sunil Karam emphasized that every citizen must take responsibility to protect indigenous communities. He further denounced the state government's silence on identifying illegal immigrants, noting that NRC is the only effective way to identify illegal immigrants. Sunil also cautioned that the government will be held accountable for any untoward incidents if a public uprising occurs over delays in updating the Manipur NRC.
Memorial Gapti है सिंह पॉपुम तो कोई हम दे इना तो लेगा एक कोई जाति पुरुष होएगा आदु मिशन नगासी पिछले दिन से कोई मायनी है बसे वापस काम दे.
Meanwhile, JFD convener Jitendra Ningumba reminded the public that the organization had already set a deadline expiring tomorrow for the state government to clarify its stance on updating the Manipur NRC before the census. He also warned that intense agitations would be launched if the government fails to provide a positive response to the JFD's demand.
Hybrid water is the two lay, but you start Manipuri, people see the current of people to go with me out of water, with the part of the titles of Punaba, other 100 and they not say what you forgot to put Java, high now, where Yoga, hanging out to sea and a canary. I do not